When you are at work, you may worry what your kids are doing and what content they are watching online. And when you're at home, you never know what your employees are doing and if any progress is being made at the office. Now, you can actively monitor both at the same time with SpyHuman. SpyHuman allows you to monitor Android device activity and remotely track what is going on, either at home or at work. You can protect your kids from any online threats, malware, or inappropriate content. You can even track their location or block specific sites or apps that could be dangerous or harmful. On your business side, you can protect your company assets by tracking devices if they are ever stolen or lost, and get updates on employee productivity even when you're out of the office. You can also keep a check on employee loyalty through SpyHuman. SpyHuman is easy to install and simple to use. Track your kids' activity and monitor your employees with SpyHuman, and enjoy the peace of mind knowing your kids and business are safe. Visit www.spyhuman.com.